Welcome to today's market report.
US stocks rallied to a higher close on Friday, and benchmark treasury yields dipped at the end of a week marked by strong earnings, wrapping up a solid month with data confirming inflation is cooling, which could allow the Federal Reserve to pause after week's expected rate hike. All three major US stock indices advanced, but a drop in Amazon.com shares capped the Nasdaq's gains. Each index posted weekly gains, and while the S&P 500 and the Dow ended the month high, the tech-laden Nasdaq was essentially unchanged from its March 31st close. The narrative got the session off to a rocky start after Amazon.com Inc. warned of a potential slowdown, echoing Thursday's weaker than expected first quarter GDP data. But economic data released before the bell confirmed that inflation is falling, but remains well above the Federal Reserve's average annual goal of 2%, and did little to move the needle regarding market expectations of another 25 basis point interest rate hike when the central bank meets next week. The core PCE came in as expected, still showing that inflation is coming back to earth. This potentially opens the door for one more rate hike next week, and the Fed can pause the aggressive tightening that we've seen since last March. European shares staged a late session rebound and closed the book on April with a 1.9% monthly advance. The pan-European stock 600 index rose 0.56%, and MSCI's gauge of stocks across the globe gained 0.66%. Emerging market stocks rose 0.5%. The US dollar advanced against a basket of world currencies on the heels of the inflation data, and benefiting from the yen plunging after the Bank of Japan maintained its low policy rate. The dollar index rose 0.13%, with the euro down 0.08% at 1.1018. GBP/USD rose to fresh year-to-date highs at 125.83, eyeing the 200-day moving average. This is today's market report. Thanks for listening. We'll see you next time.